Hi, welcome to my home. I'm Chef Carl, Food Whisperer, YouTube, and today is our 90th video that we've done. So Ward, thank you very much. He's done a great job. 90 videos, holy cow. So today we're making shrimp fried rice with vegetables. Nothing fishy about that. Get it? Shrimp, fish, okay. So anyway, folks, we'll be right back and let's get to cooking.
Chef Carl, Food Whisperer, taking the mystery out of cooking.
Before I start, I want to recommend watching Grilling and Chilling by Mojo and Mike's Everyday BBQ because they've helped me out along my journey on these food videos. So let's start. First, I try to keep everything easy. I'm going to use 2 pounds of microwavable rice, which I just microwave for a minute just to soften it up. We're going to have 2 pounds of shrimp, 2 pounds of vegetables, 2 cans of sliced water chestnuts, and of course seasonings and a little sauce. And you can make this in the house, you just have to divide it down by half or by 4. So let's get this party rolling. I got some whole grain brown rice, got some Spanish rice, like popcorn. This side is the hottest side, so if you see it popping. I'm going to add a little toasted sesame oil. Don't use a lot because it's very strong. I always want to be a drummer. Slide this over a little bit. I'm going to add a little avocado oil. And a little butter. Everything's better with butter. And I'm going to add some egg beaters. You can use whole egg. Like 12 ounces. Egg beater. Each packet of the rice is 8 ounces and plus a half ounce. So as you divide all this by half or by 4, you can make this in the house in a sauté pan or in a cast iron. Slide this over. Gonna add a little more sesame oil. I want to put the shrimp on. Shrimp are 18 to 21 shrimp. Woohoo! Gonna let this evaporate a little bit. These are red shrimp. I bought them at Sam's Club, 18 to 21, peeled and deveined. just for fun, I'm going to put a little Grand Marnier because I love the orange flavor. Well, apparently I'm not going to get it to plan. This is the hot side here. So that was 2 pounds of rice, 2 pounds of shrimp, two cans sliced water chestnuts, trying to get a little brown color on the shrimp. Put those on the rice. Now we're going to get a little more heat on the water chestnuts. And here I have 1 pound of Chinese vegetables. Some fresh snow peas, pea pods, about 8 ounces. A little bit of fresh broccoli florets. I chopped some fresh ginger, but be careful, ginger is very strong. Don't want to overdo it with the ginger. Now I'm going to sprinkle a little fresh basil from my garden. Remember, you can make a request after you subscribe for me to make you something, and I'll get back to you and tell you if I can do it. I made a video called Beyond Hamburger Helper for a lady, and she said it was so good that she was supposed to feed 3 or 4 people, and one day she ate the whole thing. So, yay, thank you. And this is a lemon pepper garlic sauce I'm going to put on the vegetables a little bit. A little bit over for a little extra flavor. Maybe a little more avocado oil. Avocado oil is very bland in flavor. And butter's melting, so what the heck? Add the butter. Got a nice sizzle going. And I have to thank Ward for being out here when it's 55 degrees out. It's cloudy with a chance of meatballs, like they say in the movies. Okay, let the party begin. And folks, there you go. We got stir-fried shrimp with vegetables, fresh vegetables. The rice we bought from Ben's. I used 4 packages, 8 ounces in a package. And I think it's time to eat. So, this is Chef Carl saying, thank you for watching my videos. Like I said, this is video number 90, not 9. And thank you to our service people and the first responders. And subscribe, share, and like I said, if you want me to make you something, please ask me. So this is Chef Carl saying, that's all folks, I love you. Peace out.